Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. I want to show you something we did and I think you'll like it, but first we're going to split some firewood.
All right, so Melissa and I just split a firewood bucket
It's Wolfe Ridge Splitter is the way to go.
full of maple.
If you're in a hurry and you think, gee, can I still get there before they close and split wood? I think so. I'm going to go out and split some wood and get there before they close.
You got a little bounce in your step today, don't you? It's this sunny weather. It's got you all riled up today.
It is. Yeah. It's nice to be out. Feels good.
So why don't you talk about what we did?
Yeah, so we've been wanting to clean up our website, change some things, and we just didn't have that skill. So we reached out to a few people and we got in touch with Kyle Barr. Really impressed with his work and the way things went. So we had an introductory video call with him, letting him know what we do and what we're looking to do with the website. So we were able to give him all that information. It was pretty easy. I kind of thought, oh, this is just going to take a while and it's going to be a lot of work, and it wasn't. He told us what he needed from us. We sent it to him, and boom, he gave us, within I think a week, a preview of what he's done, and we were impressed. So
yeah, we've been needing to. You get so busy with stuff, and things always get put on the back burner. You know what I mean? Like, oh, we'll get to that. We'll do this. We'll do that.
And it was still working. The website was working for us, just not working the way we wanted it to. So we were happy about being able to get the email addresses for our potential upcoming newsletter and add some new pictures that weren't on there, and that we just weren't doing it the way we wanted it. So Kyle took care of all of that for us.
Let me give you a quick look of what it looks like.
Yeah, good idea.
And we'll report back. All right, so check this out. This is our new website. When visiting the site, first thing you're going to see is this stay up to date. I mentioned this a couple weeks ago. You can enter your email right here. We're going to send out a newsletter. We won't spam you or anything like that. But anything that we need to let you know, you will get an email from us if you enter your email right here in the Stay Up to Date. Then you just click join, and that's all there is to it. But if we click out of that, this is our home page right here. And by the way, we have more hoodies and tumblers and things like that coming. Currently, right now, we have Firestarter available. But it's a really nice website. We're real pleased with it. Here's a contact form right here. Something I think a lot of guys are really going to like is this right here, new videos. Up here at the top, you can click on new videos, and it links right to our YouTube channel, so you can see the latest videos all in order. I know a lot of people, when we stopped numbering our videos, said they were having trouble, finding the latest video. You can come right to outdoorswiththemorgans.com, and they're all in order right here. Click and play. We've got Meet the Morgans here, some more information about us. Now, something that'll be coming later this week, we're going to have a What We Use page, and what that's going to be right here, products we're using. That's coming soon. Hand tools, equipment, everything will be listed on here with links to everything. If you want to know about a Wolfe Ridge splitter, it'll be in there. If you want to know about the Kubota excavator, it'll be there. The 3M Bluetooth headphones, all that kind of stuff we will have probably later this week. The plan here is, we're hoping this website answers a lot of questions. We're going to keep updating it and keep providing more and more information. And instead of a website that you're just going to go to, say if you want, some Firestarter. Okay, we are out of stock right now on the 4 pounds, but I think we have plenty of the 1.75 pound. You can see right here. But besides just coming to the website for, to buy Firestarter or whatever, you'll be able to come here to see the videos, find information on all the different things that we use. We're real happy with it. We are. And we had a guy, Kyle Barr is his name. It's down here at the bottom, I think. Yeah, website designed by Kyle Barr. Highly recommended. I will put his link in the description. It was effortless working with him. We just sent him some pictures, kind of told him what we wanted. He works up a rough draft all within a week or so. And then we had a couple phone calls. And he's there for us if we need him for changes and updates. But, yeah, pretty happy with the website. And I hope all of you enjoyed as well. But don't forget, up here, new videos. You can come to outdoorswiththemorgans.com, click right on that, and they're all going to be in order. So that's the quick look at the website. But what we're trying to do is have a place for people to go to, if you want to buy some Firestarter, if you want to find our latest video, or if you have questions about things. Like I mentioned when I did that screen recording, I've been working on getting pictures of all the equipment, all the things that we use, and it won't be long. We'll have all that on the website because we get a lot of questions that are reoccurring questions, and people miss things in videos.
And that's fine. There's a lot of new people joining us that have those questions.
Right. Yeah, but like, how big's your dump trailer? Will it hold a quart of wood? All that stuff's going to be on there. And, what size skid loader is that? And what's that little lighter that you use? Or the 3M Bluetooth headphones, all that kind of
stuff. How fast can Melissa run? Yeah.
That won't be on there. But the other thing is the newsletter. When you go to the website, if you enter your email, a bunch of people have been sending us their email, so we have it. But let's say something happens to YouTube, or we get booted off YouTube, or we go a different direction, or whatever. I don't think that's going to happen, but it would be good for us to stay in contact. Who knows what's going to happen? Things are pretty crazy, but send in those emails, join that newsletter, and we will be able to send you updates or just different things. It might be an email once a week or once a month, or everyone's always asking about the Firestarter. We'll send an email out, hey, it's going to be available on this day. And by the way, right now, I'm going to publish this video this evening. we should still have some by the time this publishes.
I think so.
Yeah, the 4-pound
Not much,
bags
but
are sold out, but we had a whole bunch of the 1.75s. So you can go to the new website if you'd like to get some fire starter. And by the way, the fire starter, a 1.75 pound bag will start like 30 fires. I mean, there's a lot in there. A lot of people, man, they buy those 4-pound bags up like instantly, and it's like they're hoarding it or something. But it'll be.
I would do the same thing though.
Yeah. It's kind of like when you go to Costco or something, you know.
Do I really need this 5-pound bag of double stuffed Oreos? No, but it's always good to have it in case we get a snowstorm or something. You can't get out. I have Oreos.
Speaking of snow, nothing on the radar.
But we also have the fire starter and the calendars too. Like, we don't have many calendars left, so grab those up. And then
the merchandise.
The merchandise is going to be coming. I've been just busy with other stuff, but trying to get things organized and get it
Hoodies will probably be first, right?
It'll be hoodies. Yeah,
we took all that off the website right at Christmas.
It just was too much. I make all of our merchandise, and
but she's getting ready to get cranked back up with that. But around here, I'm telling you, it is a crazy. I mean, it's cold in the mornings right now.
Right.
But it has been sunny and beautiful, warming up to about 50. I think it's supposed to hit 67 on Wednesday. Now, next week, kind of like the bottom falls out of it, but we can't even complain. The weather's been so great, has given us the opportunity to get outside and do some things, and been cutting wood and clearing trees and all that kind of stuff. It's been really good. But anything else you'd like to add, Melissa?
We just appreciate you being here. We appreciate all of you that have sent us stuff. We get a lot of mail, and I've been writing thank you cards to all of you that have sent us stuff. And if you want to send us a license plate that you have, that would be great. We can use that on our new building and the walls. And been working on those projects, but we do want to thank you. It's been great that you're part of the Outdoors with the Morgans. And
sign up for that newsletter.
And then check out the videos are right on the website.
And also, one last thing, if you want a good website built quick by someone who's very accessible, in other words, you can get a hold of them quick if you need anything.
Definitely.
I'll put a link for Kyle in the description. But
we're definitely happy.
Yep. But I think that's about it. We appreciate you all being here, and we'll catch you on the next one.